Hello, today I will introduce my family. In the photo appear my father whose name is Álvaro Simanca, my mother whose name is Andrea Guerrero, my sister whose name is Sofía Simanca, and my brother name is Santiago Simanca. And finally, I fired my father, a seen dark-haired man wears shorts, a white polo shirt, and white shoes. My mother, a dark-haired woman who is wavy hair, wears a black dress with white stripes. My brother, a boy of a very high, wears light colored pants, a green shirt, and white shoes. My sister is dark hair, wears a black shirt and white shoes. What I like about my dad is that he's very hard working, but I don't like that he doesn't talk much. What I like most about my mom is that she's very kind. But what I don't like is that she doesn't like to leave the house. What I like about my brother is that he's intelligent, but I don't like that he's very absent-minded. What I like about my sister is that she's intelligent, but I don't like that she's very nervous. They five of us smile and posing for the photo. That night we were at home celebrating Christmas. We were very happy about that special day and tried to look our best in the picture. Thank you very much for your attention.